Okay, what's going down outside right now?
Yeah, here's a look outside where we do have the flag blowing in the wind. Really strong conditions out there. You are going to see 79 degrees for your temperature heading out the door. Wind is out the south-southeast at 24 miles per hour. So it is going to be a rather breezy one. That is your sustained wind. Gusts are still 30 to even 40 miles per hour. So the strongest wind is right now. But yes, this cold front does have a chance for a few storms to make it through. It is still hot heading into tomorrow, but we have a slight cool down. That's why I still kept it cool heading into this afternoon. I'll explain. Here's a look at our temperatures. Notice 85 degrees right around noon. The cold front swings through. Temperatures fall of about, initially, it may be about a 10-degree fall, but we warm back up over a period of 2 hours. So noon, 85, 1 p.m. could be in the 70s briefly. Then we get back up to around 80 degrees because the sun will come out into this afternoon. Then temperatures fall. 50s by 4 a.m. Taking a look at our low temperature forecast, 55 degrees overnight in Corpus Christi. Could get into the 40s for George West. 64 still at the beach. The wind does become light out of the northwest, and heading into tomorrow, it is still hot. We're talking nearly 90 degrees. So even though there is a front moving through today, it is still going to be hot tomorrow. Wind will be light, a little bit out of the northwest. So that offshore wind could create some really sweet surf conditions if the coast holds up the offshore wind. Sometimes there's a little curve around the coast because of the temperature difference between the ocean and the land and so forth. But regardless, what we've got going on, 30 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts early on this morning. Once the front passes through, we've got those west-northwest to north-northwest winds weakening quite dramatically as we head into the evening. There is a tornado watch in place across portions of North Texas and into Oklahoma. For the rest of us, we have a slim chance for some showers as the cold front is passing through, but the forcing is closer to what we call the triple point, where the cold front and the warm front meet at that low pressure center. That's where the greatest risk for those storms are, and then a little bit south of there. So that's why we're not concerned with severe weather. Very, very little concern for even any rain. Temperatures not going to fall dramatically. We do have 50s in the Texas Panhandle, West Texas region behind the front right now, and we'll be about there a little bit warmer into tomorrow morning than say Midland and Lubbock right now. But what we see is a very low chance of rain here in the coastal bend in Corpus Christi, so not too much to get excited about. This cold front swings through. In the upper levels of the atmosphere, we get a resurge or secondary surge of the cooler air that sets in by Wednesday morning. Wednesday will be nice and sunny. We'll get cooler and even some drier air still in place, with high pressure setting up just to our north. And what that's going to do is set up really nice actual fall-like conditions for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, until that high pressure starts to slide a little bit more to the east. We tap back into our southerly winds, and it does look like we warm up into the weekend. So here's a breakdown on that 7-day forecast. Best shot, really only shot of rain in the coming days is today, and it's not a great one. Temperatures still warm tomorrow afternoon, but look at those temperatures falling. We'll be in the 70s for highs Wednesday, Thursday, possibly Friday. But yeah, we do warm back up heading into the weekend. John Thomas.